I believe Christmas is every day, and let us spread love and cheer. Thank you.
Candidate number 2. Ay, candidate number 1 ng girls pala. Candidate number 1.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maxine D. Lazaro, 5 na taong gulang, ang Little Santa ng Kinder. Thank you. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Prince Jo Marie Castillo from grade 1.
Wait lang. From kinder to grade 2 po ito.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako po si Janela Lisa Almario, 6 na taong gulang, ang Little Santa ng grade 1. Then I thank you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Stanley Sayon Bigabuyo, ang Mr. Little Santa ng grade 2. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, kahit saan, kahit kailan, diwa ng Pasko ay pagmamahalan at pagbibigayan. Thank you.
Follow my simple instruction.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashley C. Suntico. I am 6 years old from grade 1.
Next, candidate number 4.
All the ladies. All my ladies.
Number 4.
Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. One to the left, switch to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me do what I got.
Po si Cindy D. Domingo.
Nalipatan.
Ako po si Kurt Justin D. Bose bilang Mr. Santa ng grade 3. Thank you.
May I request yung mga audience?
My name is Angelica Peladio. I am 8 years old. Naniniwala sa kasabihang, ang batang hindi napapagalitan, nakikinig sa guro at magulang. Presenting grade 2.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angel Jasmine Claire S. Alpo. Nag-aaral po ako sa ikatlong baitang bilang Mrs. Santa. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, candidates number 6. Okay.
My name is John J.V. B. Gamas, representing grade 5.
Palakpakan naman siya. Okay, thank you very much, candidate number 1, candidate number 2. Number 1, sorry.
Good afternoon, everyone. Standing in front of you is Princess Diona Di Belda, 9 years of age. I believe in the saying that beauty is not in the face, beauty is alive in the heart. Representing grade 4.
Thank you, candidate number 1, candidate number 2.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si John Ivan G. Calveng. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, ang tunay na kahulugan ng Pasko ay pagmamahalan, pagbibigayan, representing Mr. Santa ng grade 6.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 2, candidate number 2.
Hello everyone, I'm Liza Jane Di Domingo, 10 years of age. I believe in the saying that beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's about having a pretty mind, pretty heart, and a pretty soul. Representing grade 4.
Candidate number 3.
My name is Romel G. Porto Jr., the Santa Claus from grade 6, Daisy. Naniniwala ako na araw-araw ay Pasko, kaya dapat laging nagmamahalan at nagbibigayan. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Francis Araiza Elbanga, 10 taong gulang. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan. Ang kagandahan ng mukha at ng katawan ay natatakpan, pagtalino at abilidad ang pinag-uusapan. Representing grade 4!
Candidate number 4.
My name is Josamay M. Pagadu from grade 5. And naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang ang Pasko
Hinakita. Candidate number 4. Ay, sorry, number 5.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jasmine Lara F. Estorita, Miss Santa from grade 5.
Candidate number 6.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kyle Antoinette Gallardo Lumawig, Miss Santa from grade 6.
All my ladies.
Once again, the candidates for Litaw, Mr. and Miss Santa. Palakpakan naman natin po sila. No? Okay, so, before we are going to announce the first award, balik daw kayo, balik. Raffle muna tayo. Gusto nyo ba mabuna yung category? Sinong bet nyo? Anong number? Sa lower grades at sa kinder to grade 3. Sa mga naka-blue, sinong bet nyo? Anong candidate? Anong candidate? 2? 3? 1? Okay, congratulations! Best in production number 4. Main category is... Mr. Jonely Castillo! Congratulations! Candidate number 2. May I request the proud parents, of course, and Sir Romel to award the sack. Okay.
All my ladies. All my ladies. All my
Best in production number is, sinong bet nyo? Anong number? Lower grades. Oh, marami ako nakikitang 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, candidate number, hindi kayo nagkakamali. Candidate number 5. Congratulations, Angela Almario. Angelica Almario. May I request the proud parents of Lan Angelica and Pelagio. Sorry. And from Malibu, we go to award the sash. Who's your bet? 1, 2, or 3? Okay. So our best in production number for the male category is candidate number 2, John Ivan Calwen. May I request the proud mother together with our best in production number is candidate number 7. Asap kayo? Wala? Ay, wala. Okay. Nahanap ka, nandito, yung sasalita. Okay, so our best in production number is candidate number 6, Carl Antoinette Gallardo. May I request the parents? Number. Humihiti yung katabi ko. Candidate number 1, Legend Suderma. Okay, for Ma'am Grace Bakiran to sa ito award. Sumobra ka na, Jelay. 8 na yan. Joke lang. 3,